Christmas tree we've ever seen. And two lads from the East Coast, Brad and Roy, who at the time played together as Happy Feel Good, I don't know if you've ever heard of them. Soon after they wrote this song, they actually split up. That kind of thing. They have seen the Christmas tree. I said, what do you expect the Christmas trees is? Standing straight and tall. The lights. A fairy or an angel at the top. Silver tinsel. Maybe a Christmas present or two. This had none of these things. Not a bauble, not a light. It was a sorry sight. And the thing is, too, the council decided to put it up behind a great big metal fence. No idea why, is it? So the song is, say, the answer or Christmas tree. Answer, council does what I mentioned. You got the chorus ready then? Because we'll start with the chorus. Easy to do. Oh, the answer of a Christmas tree, as dreamy as a Christmas tree can be. Not a bubble or a light, it's a sorry sight. The answer of a Christmas tree. I said to my sister, come and see what aims the council's done for me. Behind an iron gate is a tree in an office state. Oh, the answer of the Christmas tree. Oh, the answer of the Christmas tree, as dreamy as a Christmas tree can be. Not a bubble or a light, it's a sorry sight. The answer of the Christmas tree. Well, bears running point stream, it's the worst Christmas tree I've ever seen. Children wake up in the night, say that's tree, it isn't right. Oh, the answer of the Christmas tree. Oh, the answer of the Christmas tree, as dreamy as a Christmas tree can be. Not a bubble or a light, it's a sorry sight. The answer of the Christmas tree. Santa's sleigh is flying by, a shadow in a dark and southern sky. With no